Now we will learn how to use this annotation panel. In annotation panel, we will use dimension command, text command, etc., leader and etc. So if you want to give dimension to these objects, so first select dimension, then choose your points. Suppose I want this point from this point, and give the distance that you want. Now zoom in. As you can see, it gives the distance. This is, I can show you one. Choose the points and now give some distance or so. Okay, suppose you want this arrow size and the text size to be larger. Then what you have to do, go to this annotation panel and choose this option, and from here you can modify your entire dimension panel and dimension objects. So to change those options, click on modify button, and by here you can just change the data values and you will see here the changes. Now close these options. Suppose you want some text to be written here. So how do you do that? First choose text. Here, see here, two types of text you can use. One is single line and multi-line. Single line, by using single line you can only type single line, only type text in a single line, but in multi-line text you can type text in multi-line. So most of the situations we use multi-line text. Okay, now we have to give the height. Suppose I want this height. Now you can type here something. If you want to change the size of this text, then select this object and type some sizes like height. If you want, suppose I want 1 foot, enter. As you can see, now this size is not 1 foot. If you want to change, you can change from here, 2 feet, 3 feet, like that. If you want to change your text style, you can choose from here. Here are various model of texts are available. Okay. Next we learn how to use layer in AutoCAD 2017. To be able to draw perfectly a huge project, layer is very important too. We will draw different parts of drawing by using different types of layers and also different types of layer colors to identify the objects, and also it will help us to build our 3D objects. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Suppose if you want these red color lines to be in a different named layer. Okay, first open this layer properties panel. This is our layer properties panel, and this button is used to click new layer. Suppose we want a new layer, and this layer is called blue line, and change the color from here, choose blue color, and okay. And but now our default layer is zero layer. We have to choose blue layer. Now blue layer is our default layer, and whatever we draw here, that will be on this blue layer. So I want this line to be in blue layer, so choose blue layer. And also, as this is our default layer, if I draw something, it will be in that layer. The benefit is that when we use large projects, we can turn off and on different layers to be able to see those objects clearly. Like suppose I don't want to see this blue layer, just turn off there, and as you can see, now blue layer is just hidden, but it is there, it's just hidden. You can turn on by this bulb icon. This is our layer button. We will learn more about in our projects. Okay, and now we will learn how to use measure command. So measure command is a very important command. To use that command, first we choose this button, or if you want different types of measurement, you can choose from this is distance, radius, angle, area, etc., volume. Suppose we want a distance measurements, we choose distance and click. Suppose I want distance from here to here, so choose this point to this point, this source is 50 foot. So this is how it works. We will use this command very much in our project. So to use this command faster, we actually type di in short, that is distance, and just choose the objects like this. Okay, now I think we are quite ready to start our projects. And when we start building our projects, I will explain this command again. So okay, to start any project, the most important things we need to do before starting any project is unit selection. So you need to set your units according to your drawing. Suppose I want here foot and inches. We will draw the entire drawing in foot and inches. So we have to set this units. So to be able to do that, you type un, it gives us units and this. So as you can see, we choose here inches. There are different types of units are there. We use inches, and the types of our engineering and precision is 0 and 0 foot 0 inches. So this is how the precision, this is how our units will look like when we give dimension, etc. Okay, this is very important thing. You must change your dimension as per your drawing. Okay, to start our drawing, after opening AutoCAD 2017, we need to click here start drawing like this, and this is your page opens. And here first you need to change your units as per your drawing, and then choose your dimension style and etc., and you are ready to start your drawing. After drawing something, you need to save it. From here, click on save, choose some name. It by default it gives drawing on. You will give some names and choose your location and save it. This is how it works. Okay, in next video we will start our drawing. Thank you.